Hello viewer, my name is Mike Tibello. I'm a tutor with Mtech Tutorial Hub. In today's lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can compute area of a cycle on a QBASIC interpreter. Alright, recall that area of a cycle is equal pi r square. A is equal pi r square, where A stands for area, then r radius, then pi it's actually a constant. That's 22 all over 7. Okay, great. Now meaning we have only one input, which is r. Now move to our interpreter. Then first of all, you need to declare your pi. Just tell let me see, let me just say rem program to compute area of a cycle. Okay, now your pi, now that's your pi, it's equal to 22 all over 7. Okay, now area is equal to pi, is equal to pi, that's pi, which is our pi, which we have declared the value as 22 all over 7, times, which is asterisk, times r, times r carried, which is a shifted character 6 there, or you can say r times r square. Okay, that's area is pi r square. But meanwhile, don't forget, you say you have one input, which is input r. Then the last thing here is print area. Print area. Okay, we're through. What is remaining is for us to test run our program to see if it runs perfectly or there are mistakes which we need to amend. How do we run this? We can actually click on run in your menu there, then click start, or alternatively you can press shift control F, okay, shift F5, okay, to run the program, which is this, shift F5. Okay, it's asking you for the value of r. The value of r, let's say the value of r is 5. Okay, see the result. Now area now is 78.57143. Can we try doing something? Okay, let me make some decoration, just a little decoration, but this is the basic thing so far. Can we say enter the radius. Okay, you put a semicolon there. Okay, can we try it again? Run. Okay, this one is coming out because we haven't cleared the screen. We need to clear the screen, please. Okay, we need to clear the screen, otherwise we'll be having subsequent those results we've computed last week. We need to say CLS, okay, so that the screen will constantly be raised. Okay, enter the radius 4. Okay, this. Okay, we can equally say print area. Okay, can equally say area is equal to this, then a semicolon. Run your program again. Enter the radius. The radius is 3. Let me say the radius is 3. Enter. Now area is equals to 28.28571. You can confirm on your calculator, please. Okay, so this is a program to compute area of a cycle. A program to compute area of a cycle. Okay, oh great. Now you can save your file by going to Save As, File, Save As. So we've saved it as area.bas. Okay, whenever you want to retrieve it, you can click on Open. Then you see area.bas. Or alternatively, you can now move to drive C. Drive C. Okay. Then QBASIC does. Okay. They move to disk. Then here it is, area. Okay. So if this has helped, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. See you next time. Love you.